everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever found yourself staring at a dented or weather-damaged panel on your garage door, wondering what to do, you're in the right place. Garage doors are sturdy, but they're not immune to the occasional bump, dent, or damage from harsh weather conditions. Over time, these issues can not only affect the appearance of your garage door, but can also impact its functionality and safety. The good news is, you don't always need a full garage door replacement. Sometimes all it takes is replacing the damaged panel to restore your garage door's look and performance. This is where panel replacement comes into play. It's cost-effective and efficient. Opting for panel replacement can save you time and money. It's a targeted approach that deals directly with the problem area without the need for a complete overhaul. Plus, it helps maintain your home's curb appeal and ensures your garage door operates smoothly. Not sure how to proceed? Don't worry. Our team of expert garage door repair and installation technicians is here to help. Give us a call at 1-866-992-1816 to discuss your options and find the best solution for your garage door needs. Remember, taking action at the first sign of damage can save you a lot of hassle down the line. Don't let a damaged panel disrupt your day-to-day life. Call us today, and let's get your garage door back in tip-top shape. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. See you in the next video.